Vanakkam. As the president of International Mediations Organization, it was a great opportunity for me to serve the general public and also the law students and other peoples who are connected and affected by that of the mediation, the entire stakeholders for that matter. And being an international organization, we collaborated with International Mediation Institute of Netherlands, and we were part of the Global Pound Conference. And bringing Global Pound Conference to India in its right form is possible. For the effect of IMO, it would have not been done. What we have done with IMO and the Global Pound Conference is that we have improved the percentage of participation from India from that of 2% to 34% on a universal scale, and this was by itself a great achievement of taking the voice of India on mediation to the global community and being part of what is being going to be formulated through the results of the Global Pound Conference, forming part of the Global Pound Conference in coming out with the conclusions and the policies with reference to the mediations to be followed in future. Apart from this Global Pound Conference, we were also part of the India Mediation Week in the year 2016 and 17, and we participated in India Awareness of Mediation Week in such a way that we took mediation to various institutions and the law colleges in and around Chennai, and also we took this particular mediation awareness through the orientation program, through the lecture program and other training programs for the law students and graduates. Apart from this, in IMO, we have also taken up the task of propagating mediation into various forms of conducting seminars, having symposiums, and also collaborating with other organizations who are with this mediation as a thing. And we collaborated with ASSOCHAM, Alternative Dispute Resolution Council, and we did programs on national capital on mediation, inviting people from all over the world as speakers for that particular meeting. In this regard, we also say IMO proudly participated in the signing convention held at Singapore between various countries around the world on the International Mediation Agreement Signing Convention, which happened in Singapore. Thank you. Nandri.